Yo, what's poppin'? This is Storm Chaser Joey Haney Part 1, 2025. Today we are going into the danger zone of a thunderstorm that has been tornado watched. So we're gonna go up here and look at that. See if we can spot it or eye out or eyeball on a tornado. So people start praying for me because I'm not sure what I'm gonna see up on this ridge. Okay. Alright, so this is what we're seeing right here. This is what we're seeing down here. I'm not sure what's going on down there. Right there, that could be a start of a wall cloud. I don't know what this is down here. Let me go on the side of the sidewalk here. Let me cover the camera real quick. Right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's pretty dark. So this storm has been tornado warned. I'm not sure what's going to happen. If it is going to touch ground over here. But I'm for surely seeing something in that ridge. Alright. I gotta go. Part 2 is coming up.